Poland.
And we have a total population of about 18,000 people in Tagalog. Altogether, there are 22 villages and 131 settlements. Any that will disturb the elections that we're going to have?
Places where the people are serving the people, particularly down from the main drag and up the hill, in and around here. You should have a look at the frontages of the hotels. There's a couple down the roads where the frontages are still, very short strips. Wouldn't take too much. But I think once you get a good, crush chip, aggregate chips and all that production going on here, I think then, you can then, just do your own. Most of the raw material would be here anyway. I'll talk about the roading thing later on in discussion of the economic activities, but are there any other observations on the road? I'm not sure, what is the need for this Nasela 711? What is up there? Or would you just want to, just to lengthen?
To create open up opportunities for tourism.
Mr. Commission Kina, I'm just saying, Baltania Satem Road to walk, if you didn't hear me, look into the reservoir. But then see, this might be